What yo, Cook and Vibe? Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. You get me? Yeah. Today we are switching it up, people. We're switching up. I remember I said we have a piano. Yeah, remember I said we have a piano. So today, people, we're gonna go and visit a place. All right. Today is all about Trinidad and Tobago food. Yes, because I've dealt a lot in Jamaican food. And I feel like I know 90, 80%, you can say 80, 90% of Caribbean food. I say 80 of Jamaican food, sorry. So now, Trinidad and Tobago food, I come to realise some different kind of stuff and some different ingredients and different bits and bobs, and it's a little bit different. So it's very interesting for me, myself, to find out about this food. I hope it's going to interest you. We're going to check out a place called Roti Island in South Norwood, South London. You get me? So you don't know how the things set, people. Car keys are ready. We're going to jump in the car and we're going to go down to Roti Island and try some Trinidad and Tobago food. Why? So we're about to try some Trinidad food for the first time. You know, on our channel we do with loads of Caribbean food, loads of Jamaican food. I think you've had every Jamaican recipe going. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's time to branch out a bit. Trinidad food. Now there's a big, what I come to realise, there's a heavy influence with the Indian cooking, with the Caribbean cooking. So we've chose some things here, right? What we've got here is some authentic Trinidad food. So what we've got here, which we're going to start with, is the doubles. I've never tried doubles before. As you can see, oh look, there's look like there's chickpeas and there's some chutney and some onions inside there. Inside the doubles, the lady has told me there is pepper sauce, put pepper in it, tamarind sauce, and there's a mix of onion and shadow benny in there? Okay, so this is the secret ingredient. So this is what we've got to find to cook our food. It's pronounced shadow benny or shadow benny? Shadow benny. So there you go. This is like a key ingredient in Trinidad food. And you can't find it. Jamaican food is not there. So this is exciting, this is interesting. That's what's in the doubles with the chickpeas. It's a good look. So doubles is like a really, like, that's like your Jamaican patty. Doubles is a very, very popular thing. So we're gonna try. Really good. It's like a pastry, but like all that nice mixture inside is really nice. Got some really lovely flavors. Some really vibrant flavors coming through there. Wow, first time eating doubles. We're gonna try and make some ourselves, people. Yeah, we're gonna try and do all this for ourselves. Now this thing here is called a bus up shop. Alright, and this is basically, it's a roti bus up. So you wanna get your bus up shop. And you get some piece of curry goat. We've got curry goat there. You consume your bus up shop with the meat or whatever you're having. Now this thing here, it's called a bake. Alright? So I'm not sure what's in the bake. I just know it's quite authentic, but oh, okay. So it's basically like a big fried dumpling.
No, just with that.
Yeah. Fried dumpling. just like a big fried dumpling. So you're definitely gonna need like some meat substance to go with the bakes, with the bus up roti, bus up shot, sorry. But yeah, really nice. I'm gonna be honest, the doubles, it's amazing. Loads of different flavors in there. They put some chutney, onions, got chickpeas, 10. Yeah man, I'm liking Trinidad food so far. You get me? Oi oi. Here's the menu, people. Beer rotis. Curry goat, clean corn. Then you got the chickpeas, green beans, baked, roti skin, butter shot. Here you got doubles, patties, bacon, salt fish. Subscribe to my channel, please. Otherwise, you're gonna run out of electricity. All right, and what we got here is a curry goat roti. You know what I'm saying? Rotis are very popular in Trinidad. That we come to find out. So remember, say I've got family in St. Vincent, so the roti thing is over there as well. Meat's done lovely. The inside is done lovely. Curry goat roti, so you would eat your bake and your bus up shop with a curry goat without the roti, obviously. But I just wanted to show you what I want. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm just scooping up the last of my doubles with my bus up shop. As you can see, you just see the roti like that, and you can see it's seasoned, the roti seasoned and everything. And now it's a bus up shot time. I got bus up some curry goat with a bus up shot. You see? Yeah, you have your meat there with your bus up shot. You can also use your bake for that as well. You know what I'm saying? Trinidad food. Wait. So I'll tell you something. You see the curry? It resembles Jamaican curry, but there is a slight difference there. As soon as I walked into the shop, curry. Smell curry. So maybe it's that Indian influence that changes up the flavour. But the curry's really, really good, man. Really, really good. The bake's really good. The bus up shot's really good. I'll tell you the truth. You see the doubles. The doubles gone off the plate now. There's another one there. The doubles are 10 out of 10. I think that's my favourite so far. Yeah. So you see the bake, people. It's like a fried dumpling, very light, and a festival at the same time. I think it resembles a festival more than a dumpling. Yeah. I think we're going along the festival lines, but it's really nice. Different texture. It's definitely their own thing. We're comparing, but we're not taking away nothing. Bake, it's definitely a good one, man. And it's nice, big and round, so that with just a curry alone would probably be good. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm just using my bus up shot to eat the curry goat, and I tell you, see this curry, this goat. Oh, thank you. It's cooked so well. It is just like so hungry. Melt in your mouth. Amazing. The lovely lady who's working in the shop here said these are paloris, and they're like little they've got chickpeas and stuff inside them. They're served with a tamarind sauce.
Ground seasoned split peas.
Ground seasoned split peas.
With herbs.
With herbs.
Deep fried.
Deep fried.
Served with tamarind sauce.
Wow. Wow. And there's a lovely oniony kind of mixture that goes into the doubles as well. And the lovely lady has given us some pylori with tamarind sauce. You know what I'm saying? You've already had what's inside it.
Like dumplings. Like soft dumplings.
Wow.
And
Really
Somebody
nice.
were to make the tamarind sauce for you from scratch, it'd also be nicer.
Really good.
It's got ground seasoned split peas in it and herbs.
Ground seasoned split peas, which has gone into the dumpling. That's
Mix
what.
it in the flour.
That's why it tastes different. It tastes like a dumpling, but it's got a completely like different
And flavor.
twist,
texture.
yeah. And the tamarind sauce just goes absolutely perfect with it.
You know, you can have mango chutney and all that sort of thing with it.
Yes, yes. I noticed that with
Different things.
that's where the Indian influences people with the mango chutneys and the tamarind sauce and yeah, but
Yeah.
they're really good. Don't know people, you don't know how to man had to bring a plate of food home, bro. Them flavors were too much. You see them doubles, the flavors just linger in your mouth for time. Yeah, them bad. See a little
Oi,
pylori
oi,
and everything
people.
there, man.
Yeah,
Little piece
man,
of the
I
bake
hope
there.
you
Oi,
enjoyed
oi,
this.
boss
Something a
up.
bit different. Trinidad food is always interested me. That Indian influence has always interested me, you know, knowing Jamaican food so much. These doubles are so good. I had to bring one home. And falling apart a bit. So good. Sometimes when I'm out, I don't explain things properly, but that doubles with the chickpeas and the fragrance of like the shadow benny and the onion just gives it that like, you know, like that intense kick in it. And then you got the sweet tamarind sauce in there. It's all really nice. The pylori. That's so good, man. Everything is so good. So yeah, got my bake as well. Saved a bit of my bake. Had a couple pylori and I got my doubles. But yeah, man, I think if anything, we're gonna have to cook. It's gonna have to be doubles. I need to know how to make these things. Yeah. So you don't know people, man. Check out the shop, Roti Island, South Norwood, South London. Get yourself down there if you can, if you're in the area. If not, go out and enjoy the episode. Do you know what I'm saying? We're gonna cook some food. We're gonna make some doubles, but we need to get some shadow many people. So this is a mission I'm gonna have to do, is to get this shadow Benny. Do you know what I'm saying? So next time we'll be cooking some food and we can learn together how to make these beautiful, beautiful things. Yeah, man. Why, people?
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Hoi! Welcome to the big up section, people. You done know editing set. Don't forget to do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment and share. All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Trinidad and Tobago, we're switching it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you have to switch it up sometime, in the people. Big up Bill McKenna. He says, M. Dot, give us a shout out in the big up section then, my guy. There you go, bro. Like I say, people, leave your comment in the comment section for your chance to get your big up. You get me? So you don't know, big up Bill McKenna. You don't know my family. Keep supporting the channel. And also big up Lisa Allen. Says, what the F has M.R. got to do for views? He raps, he goes yard. He's not greedy, brings in Ringo. Like, subscribe and get into the place where his effort deserves. His views are low, but I'm still turn up religiously regular. Thank you, Lisa. Big up yourself. People, last couple episodes, views have tumbled a little bit. Not feeling it. Gonna be honest with ya. Not feeling it. Yeah? You need to be checking out every episode, people. Man, put a lot of work into doing this thing to try and make sure you get good episodes. If the episode's rubbish, please leave a comment saying, M. Dot, this is shit. Yeah, so I know not to do it again because I really want you to just enjoy every single episode. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, today Trinidad and Tobago. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to cook some food. You get me? If no one's interested in it, we'll move on. But if people are interested in it, yeah, let's get some shadow Benny. Let's try and find the shadow Benny. Let's cook some food. Let's make some doubles. Do the right thing. You get me? So big up everybody from Trinidad and Tobago, of course, in this episode. And yeah, it's a good vibes, people. We're nearly hitting 40k. We've got a big announcement for you on Sunday. So make sure you are locked in 6 o'clock this Sunday. Big announcement. You've all been waiting for it. We're climbing up the ladder. If them think them bad. You know what I mean? People. I'll see you soon, man. Why?